What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to use Perplexity Assistant on Android. So we're going to open our Perplexity app and this is how it looks like. At the top left corner you can see your icon for your profile there, tap on it, and here you're going to see your username, your email, and then you could toggle on or off incognito mode, toggle on or off your notifications, and also AI data retention, where it uses your searches to improve AI models. So if you want to help Perplexity with that, you could toggle this on and leave it on. Here you could also delete your history by clearing it right there. And of course you have the log out and delete account options. When we go back, we can see our Perplexity starting page. And this is the main AI search area where you can ask anything as you would on ChatGPT or on Gemini. So you could basically ask anything, use a picture by pressing the scan option at the extreme left of the input area, or tap on the voice option here where you can speak into it and it's going to respond based on your question after you tap on it. You might need to give some permissions right here when you tap on it, such as allowing Perplexity to record your audio. You're going to say while using the app to authorize it. And of course, you're going to press and hold to speak into it. You have some settings right here, such as a voice style, if you want hands-free or push to talk. Then at the top right corner, you have the share icon right there. When you tap on share, you can share Perplexity to others to try it out. And you can see the extension download mobile, right? So that's an option to use. Then at the bottom here, you have 3 more options. When you tap on the second option, this is the Discover page. Now, the Discover page helps you to discover trending material, trending stuff online. And at the top, you can see different filters for you, top stories, tech and science, finance, sports, entertainment, etc. So this is where you can actually get to discover stuff. In case you're in the mood to discover new stuff, you can come over here to discover. And at the top right corner, you can see the headphones icon right there. When you tap on it, it's going to lead you to where you can upgrade your plan. And this upgraded plan will definitely come with additional features. Then when you tap on the love icon or the plus love icon, you can personalize your feed. So you can choose topics to see stories curated just for you, right? So when you get to for you, based on what you select here, you can have them right there. Currently, we have science and tech, finance, arts and culture, sports and entertainment, right? So you can select all of them and this is going to help your feed to be curated. So when we go over to the third tab at the bottom of our screen, you can see spaces. So think of spaces as literally a space, but a digital space where you can upload sources, set AI instructions. You can see the placeholder there saying vacation planning. So you could say vacation planning just as an idea, and in the description we could say planning a trip to Asia, right? And then you could set the privacy for secret or shareable. We're going to leave it in shareable. Perhaps you're not traveling alone. You could tap on create at the bottom and this creates a vacation planning space, right? So in this new thread, you can ask the Perplexity Assistant a question. So here we ask the question, where can we go for our next vacation, right? Tap on send. And here you can see some options right there, right? So you have your options and of course you could ask a follow-up question, you could attach an image, or you could actually use the voice option, right? So when we tap on the X at the top left corner, you can see your first question here on the spaces. And then when you slide back, you can see under spaces, you have vacation planning. So imagine you have more options along the way. Then when you go over to the next and the last tab, you're going to see library. So your library is where your spaces activity will be saved. So you can see here, you can tap on it and then you have the option to bookmark it at the top right corner, share it with others. Here you could share with others and then you could tap on the 3 dots right there, swap spaces, remove this from space, change privacy settings or delete it as well. So these are the things you could do with Perplexity Assistant, whether you're searching, discovering new stuff or creating spaces where you could work with documents or focus on a plan or a project with others. So this is how to use Perplexity Assistant on Android.